Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be sharing with you guys this curly V-part wig. Just in case any of you guys are interested, check below in my description box because there will be links to this wig. So this is the packaging. This is how the wig is packed, and it did come with a few goodies. I believe it came with a wig cap. It also came with some lashes and an elastic band. I also think it came with like a bonnet. I'm not too sure because I didn't open up the little baggie that everything came in, but I'm pretty sure that's what came in it. Now, if you're not familiar with V-part wigs, it's a wig, but it allows you to leave your hair out. Not really a fan of V-part wigs just because I have a really hard time getting them to fit my head because my head is on the smaller side. So it's just very difficult. I will say though that this one fits better than any one that I have had, you guys. Now, I will say it is still a bit big on my head, but I definitely could work with it. So right here, I'm trying to debate on whether I should put the part on the side or actually just wear it in the middle. I did decide to wear the part in the middle, but y'all, I struggled a little bit just because, okay, so if you're familiar with the V-part wig, then you know that they give you two options. You can leave your hair out and you can like clip the clip the V part close together, whereas though none of your hair is out and it should look natural. But I feel like that way you have to manipulate it a lot in order for it to look natural, because it's just supposed to look like a part and look like the wefts are coming out your scalp. But most of the time that just does not work out that way, because when you're up close you can see. So I decided to braid my hair, and my first attempt was braiding it and doing it that way, but to me it didn't look natural at all. So I attempted to do it over, and I was just like, bump it. I'm just going to do the leave out, although I don't really like doing leave out because I have to go through the motions of like blending my hair and everything like that. But I actually think that the leave out worked better because it just looked more natural. Alright, so I had to come on here because I know I've been doing a voiceover, but I actually wanted to come on here after I was done to tell you how I feel about my end results. Well, this wig, period. So, I'm not a fan of the V-part wigs. You barely ever see them on my channel just because I don't like leave out for me. That's just not my thing. I don't like the whole blending and having to keep blending my hair. And I used to do that shit back in the day, y'all, and I swear, like, the rest of my hair would be so long and then my leave out would be so fucking short. Like, it looks like this part came from another person's head. That's how bad it got. So I just cut it off completely. Also, I have an issue with my V-part wigs being big on my head to the point where I can't even do, I wouldn't even be able to do leave out or anything at that point, because where the clips are, like, it overlaps. Like, that's how big it is on my head. This one is still a little bit big, but I feel like I can get away with it. Like, and before, when I was styling it, I did the 2 braids and I wasn't going to have any leave out because I don't like leave out. But it just looks so fake. Like, if somebody was to come close up to me, you can definitely, you can see. Now, it is ways that you can manipulate the part to make it look like it's actually coming out the scalp.
but I'm on a time crunch and I really don't have time to do all of that. So I was like, bump it. Let me just pull out some of my hair. I would really, really love this wig if my hair looks right once this wig dries. So this is why I'm coming on here, because I'm telling y'all that I'm going to come back after the wig is dried just to see how my hair blends in with it. If it looks good all together, I'ma love this.
All right, y'all, here are my results. This is what the wig looks like dried, and overall I actually like this V-part wig. I like the fact that it fits my head. My only problem is I feel like I can, like, it's not really, my hair is not really blended in the front a little bit, and I think it's because the wig is blonde. Had this been a natural color, it would have definitely blended in much better, but still like it. You guys let me know what you think.